Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your admin role and gathering the user's UPN and reachable contact method. Once done, open the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and go straight to active users. Select the target user and then choose authentication methods or multi-factor authentication settings. Make sure to keep the user's device handy so you can guide re-enrollment. This step moves you from prep into action quickly. You are now positioned to reset MFA credentials for that account. You will now reset the MFA registration for the selected user. In authentication methods, click Reset Multi-Factor Authentication and confirm the action. This clears their existing Authenticator registrations and app passwords. Once confirmed, inform the user that their next sign-in will prompt reconfiguration. Explain how to use the Authenticator app or SMS. Make sure to provide step-by-step enrollment instructions and a recovery option. This prevents lockouts and restores secure access efficiently. Finish by guiding the user through signing in and completing the Authenticator enrollment. Scan the QR code or use phone verification. If they cannot enroll, make sure conditional access policies or device compliance rules aren't blocking the flow, and verify their Azure AD account status. Once re-enrolled, test access to a protected resource to confirm success. If things go wrong and the user is locked out, issue a temporary access pass or use a break glass admin account while you investigate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.